How to add text in Figma. Text is a fundamental part of design work, and Figma makes it pretty straightforward. So let's get started. Alright, here we are in Figma. Let's go through the simple step to add text to your design. To start off, look at the toolbar at the very bottom, and all you have to do is go look for the T sign, which is this one over here. Click on that. Now you can click anywhere on the canvas where you want your text to appear. Let's just tap in here, and you will see a blinking cursor like this, and you can start typing right away. So let's say I'm going to type, alright, subscribe to Tech Basics. Okay, you've heard me. Subscribe to Tech Basics. I'm just gonna wait for you to do that. Just go down below and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. So okay, once you're done, so simply you can click anywhere outside the box to finalize it, like this, and there you have it. You can finally see your text. You can add your text anywhere in your design. And I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to Tech Basics. And for more designs, tips, and tricks, if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.